think the Halal Food Festival is a fantastic opportunity for, you know, all of us content creators to get together, meet some of our followers, and, you know, just really celebrate halal food. Because in the media right now, unfortunately, the word halal is a bit scary to people, but it's kind of our responsibility as Muslims, content creators, people who represent the faith, to kind of talk about halal. And this is a fantastic celebration.
So we're here at the Halal Food Festival. We're holding a store for Gaza. We're selling cakes, dessert pots. All the proceeds will obviously go to the emergency appeal in Gaza. We're here encouraging people to donate their qurbani as well for Eid al-Adha. It links because it's about celebrating with meat. You can donate your meat, you can buy meat and celebrate for the day.
Look, being the son of an immigrant, food was a big part of growing up. Food is a big part of our identity because we brought these wonderful foods to this land, right? My father ran a restaurant since as long as I remember. From the age of 11, I'd helped him. And I suppose other than the arts, food is my other passion, you know, selling it, consuming it too, yeah. So, you know, I'm kind of like, it's integral to my work. You can't really separate the food from the arts for me. I mean, food is art as well.
There's been so much food vendors in and around the place as well. So for example, you've got places like Dairy King, Malik Butchers. You've also got people at the Bro Bar, which is also making their debut today at the NEC. Well, alhamdulillah, I just finished their dragon fruit cooler. Absolutely insane. I love talking about food on a daily basis, man. It's just me, we're Asian after all, come on.